Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be unboxing this cool solar paneled robots, 5-in-1, Epic Lab, 5-in-1 solar robotics. Actually, this unboxing I'm going to be doing with my brother, so you'll be seeing him in a bit. Solar side shows a couple kids playing with it. It uses solar panels, so I'm pretty excited for that. But this is only the unboxing video. I'll be posting the review, or me actually using these, in my next video. Let's open it. I'm just gonna open this top one here. And I'll open the bottom one, in case we need to push something up from the bottom. It looks very empty. So we have these wires. Molds. Wow. That's all that was in there? It looks like a mouse. Yeah, so that was all in the box. Yeah. This looks like false advertisement, to be honest. I honestly do not see an instruction manual. So, I don't know how to... I guess you could just pop all the pieces out. So, I don't see an instruction manual. It says it includes one, but there is none in here. So, that's pretty weird. So we have wires. I don't know what this is. Oh, this is a solar panel. This is the little thing they use for the airplane, I guess. This is a really tiny solar panel. And we have wings or propellers for the windmill. I think this is probably the bottom of the boat. Yeah. And this is the bottom of the boat, the airplane, and the thing that makes the airplane go round and round. Again, we have the solar panel, and we have a Ziploc that has this in it. I don't want to lose any of this, so I'm just going to put it back in. And that is everything that came in the box. Except for the instruction manual, because we don't know where that is. Yeah, that didn't even come in the box. So that's kind of disappointing. If you're ever going to the store one day, don't buy this at all. It was 10 times smaller than it was on the box. These pieces are like a couple inches big. And in this, how did she even manage to, this is confusing. The solar panel isn't even that big. Yeah, it's acting like it's very tiny. Yeah, please don't buy this. This is a total waste of money.